Hi there, and welcome to our brand new townhome. So right now, you guys are standing with me in our new living room. I cannot believe we are in here right now. This has been something Alex and I have been dreaming about forever, and now it is finally starting to feel like it is real. And I just can't believe that we now are renting a whole townhome, which has so much potential and so much room for some new DIYs and makeovers, and of course the chance to make this feel like home, which I am so excited and so ready for. So in the living room here, it is a pretty narrow living room, but right now I'm thinking like the couch would probably go over here, and then the TV and media console would be over on this wall right here. That is the current thought as we go, because I definitely don't want to detract from the beautiful staircase. I just think this is so awesome to say that I have stairs in my apartment. This is just so exciting. Okay, there is so much in here to show you, so let's keep going. Now, coming off from the living room here is kind of our second entryway, our entryway hallway. So we have a coat closet, just your standard coat closet right here. And then if you head down the hallway, I'll kind of step out of the way, and you come through here, we have our first bathroom. This is just a powder room or a half bath with just a toilet and a sink. But honestly, I'm really excited to decorate this one because I feel like powder rooms have such the opportunity to be really cool and funky. And so I think it'd be really fun to play around with what it looks like in here. I'm definitely thinking some peel and stick wallpaper would be pretty awesome. And now through here is a room I'm so excited to show you guys, and it is going to make such a difference when it comes to my DIY projects, and that is the garage. This is a one-car garage, but it gives us plenty of room to be able to put some of my power tools in there and give them a place to live and a place to stay, which is something that is desperately needed because I currently just did not have a spot for them in our current apartment. And so that has just been kind of like making me not want to use my tools for DIY projects. I think that having this garage space is going to be a big game changer in the types of DIY projects I'll get to do, and I'm excited to get back into some more woodworking. So now coming this way, this is the kitchen and dining room area. So we'll start on the kitchen side right here. And of course, it's very echoey because it is super empty in here, but I'm so excited. This is a little bit more room than what we've had previously. So I'm thinking that maybe we'll do like a little island or kitchen cart kind of in the center here, or maybe we could even kind of put it off to the wall on the side just to give us a little more prep space. But what I really like about in here is the appliances are all pretty new, and they're very nice appliances. Of course, you can see that this is a very like 70s type kitchen, which is from when this place was built. So we're gonna have to do some DIY magic in here to kind of update it and make it look really cute and stylized. But I know that I am up to the challenge and honestly really excited to tackle the kitchen area. Now, one of my favorite parts of this room though is right over here, and that is our pantry. We have not had a pantry, and so this is so exciting to have a spot to store away some of our small appliances or food or whatever we decide to kind of use this space for. It's going to make a big difference because we've not had anything like that and had to shove everything into our cabinets. And I don't know, this apartment has so much more storage, which we've been desperately needing because we have outgrown the space that we currently live in, honestly, within like a month of moving in there. So this is going to be so great. So I'm swinging around to the other side of the room, and this is obviously where the dining table goes. I feel like I'm going to hit my head on this lamp. It's also not the cutest lamp, so maybe that is something we swap out. I have never swapped out lights before, but you know what? This one might need it. So anyway, in this space, I think you could do a really nice like dining table and chairs right here, but it also has the potential for like a cute dining nook as well. So I'm gonna be thinking about ideas because I've mentioned before on the channel here that Alex and I love to cook together. So it's definitely one of our favorite things to be able to sit down and enjoy a nice meal. Next, let's head outside so you can see our new patio. So here we are on the patio. It's a little windy. And I'm really excited to decorate and transform this space. One of the cool parts of this patio out here is that we're able to have a grill, so that's going to be a big difference. And also, I just see that there's a lot of space here to start putting in some furniture and really enjoying our time outside. I also just love how quiet and private it is here compared to our other apartment. So this is going to be really nice to enjoy this summer. So this right here is a really unique part of this apartment, which was kind of one of the selling points. And if you go through here and down these stairs, it leads you to our basement. Basically, we have a basement. This is where the laundry will go, as well as some room for extra storage. And honestly, however else we want to do, like whatever else we want to do in here, because we also have this like little storage room or little tiny room that could be turned into something as well. So there is a lot of potential in this place. All right, so now let's head upstairs, because we have a whole nother floor to show you, and I am really excited because some of my favorite rooms are up here. So we'll start right into this room, which is the primary bedroom. And this room is huge, and it's just like so nice. I just love it. I don't know. I just think it's so pretty in here. And one of my favorite parts is the vaulted ceiling. There's just something about it that just really elevates this room. I just think that it makes the room feel a little bit bigger and more open. And I think it's gonna be really fun to have to work with that with our design in the space. I think so for right now, the bed will go right here. And then we'll have to figure out the dresser and also the TV in the room, because this is a very like long room, but it's very, very nice. And it has a beautiful big window. Though I believe we get north-facing light on this side of the apartment, so I don't know, that'll be okay though. I guess that's kind of good for a bedroom, because then you don't have the sun coming in and waking you up. So I guess there's a give and take right there. So now through here is the primary bathroom, which is just, you know, your standard bathroom right here, but I think we could do something to make this look a little bit nicer. And of course, you can't have a bedroom without the closet. So here is our really nice, pretty big walk-in closet. Now heading down the hallway right here, this is just a small closet, which gives us way more storage. Like I said, there's a ton of storage in here. Then this way is our next bathroom. Oh, I don't know which switch is which. Okay, we're still learning this place, but it's actually a pretty decent sized bathroom. It also has a linen closet behind the door. And I'm thinking this might become my vanity get ready bathroom, because I could store all my products and stuff in that little closet. So now we're gonna go this way, and we're going to head into what is going to be Alex's room, which is where he is going to have his guitars. If you didn't know, he is, should I call you a musician, Alex?
If you want.
If you want.
I don't know theory, so.
Okay. Alex loves to play guitar, and he's very good at it, and he has a lot of guitars. So this is going to basically be, I hate this word, it's going to be his man cave. I want to come up with a better word for it. Guitar room, I think it sounds a little bit better. But I think that this room has a ton of potential. It's way bigger than what he's currently working out of right now. And I just can't wait to give it a makeover, because I haven't given his space a makeover yet. And I think he's just very deserving of a makeover for his hobby room. And he's just been so supportive with my YouTube channel and all of my crazy DIY ideas. It's about time that I do something for him like this and turn this into just like an epic guitar lounge, like somewhere where he can come play music, feel so inspired. And yeah, I already have ideas and plans. I've actually been kind of thinking of these ideas for a long time now, so we get to finally put them into action. And now let's head into the room that I am probably the most excited for, and that is my brand new craft room. Oh my goodness, there is so much room in here. I am so used to just being shoved into this tiny little room with stuff everywhere, not enough room to place all of the craft supplies and DIY materials and in-progress projects. And this is so much more space. So this is going to be the new I'm Alli DIY studio, and I am so ready to have a little more room. I can already feel the boost of creativity ever since seeing this. I'm so excited to start putting things together in here. So right now, I'm not quite sure what we're gonna do for the layout in here. Obviously, I'm gonna need kind of my main filming backdrop, and then of course, some places to store all of the DIY materials, supplies, machines, all of that fun stuff. But at least I also have a very big closet to store some stuff in as well. So I am really just so excited to get in here and start transforming this room into the most awesome DIY studio. Okay, so you've seen the rooms. Let's head back downstairs because I have a few questions for you guys before we wrap up this video. This still does not feel real that this is our new apartment, and I am so ready and so excited to start moving stuff in and turning this into a home. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me throughout that entire process. So make sure that you are subscribed if you're not already, because we are going to be doing a lot of fun stuff in this place. Now I do need your guys' feedback because I need some ideas on where we should get started. What should be the first room makeover? So let me know down in the comments. I am so excited for this. I can't believe it. And it's just so cool to be standing in here, and we are just so anxious and so ready to start moving in. I'll be sharing some of that process with you guys as well. But anyways, that's everything I have for you in today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.